Welcome back, healthy club fans. Nobody likes needles, but what if I told you the future of medicine could be completely needle-free? Imagine getting vaccines, medications, and blood tests without a single poke. Today, we're diving into the latest AI-powered needle-free healthcare innovations that could transform your daily health and recovery. GAP, 2.0's macro skin, at-home nasal spray, smartwatch vitals, warm family shots with kinetic text card.
Needle-free medicine isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. Let's break it down. Drug delivery without needles. High-speed jet injectors and medication-infused lotions now deliver drugs painlessly through the skin. Some capsules release medicine in the digestive system, eliminating the need for injections entirely. Needle-free diagnostics. Blood draws and glucose monitoring are being replaced by painless skin patches or micro-vacuum devices. Even menstrual blood or sweat can provide key health biomarkers. High-tech vaccines. Nasal sprays, microneedle patches, and lotion-based vaccines are making vaccinations safer, more convenient, and accessible. No cold storage, no clinics, and no needles needed. These innovations aren't just more comfortable, they're more empowering. Patients can manage health at home, reduce anxiety and fear of needles, save time and costs, get faster and easier access to preventive care. AI and digital health tools ensure personalized dosing, accurate monitoring, and safer treatments. And because these methods often don't need trained professionals, healthcare becomes more accessible to everyone. Looking ahead, needle-free technology will continue to evolve. AI-driven monitoring. Smart patches analyze real-time health data and notify you of potential issues. Wearable diagnostic tools. Sweat, saliva, and even urine could replace traditional lab tests. Smart vaccines. Self-administered nasal sprays or dissolvable patches might make mass vaccination campaigns easier and more effective. Education and AI integration. Understanding how to use these tools safely becomes essential. AI can guide patients step by step, ensuring accuracy and confidence.
If you found this video useful so far, don't stop watching. Up next, we'll share the one innovation that could completely replace traditional injections for most patients. This is the needle-free breakthrough you don't want to miss.
Remember, AI and needle-free tech are tools. You remain the ultimate decision maker for your health. Using them wisely empowers you and improves outcomes.
Needle-free medicine is no longer a dream. It's becoming reality. If you're excited about safer, easier, and painless healthcare, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the future of medicine. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to live longer and healthier.